My name is Liane Bartlett. I'm a superintendent in South Wales Police. I've been in South Wales Police now for 26 years coming up this year. I was really interested in joining the police from a pretty young age, probably around 15 to 16, just something I always wanted to do. Liked the thought of being in a uniformed service but really helping people and at the core of the community. Didn't know of any female role models at the time. I think Juliet Bravo was current on the TV and that was about the only role model female that I could think of. In terms of coming out to colleagues, I had formed a relationship and at that time, it was probably midpoint through my career, I felt that it was the right thing to do in terms of it's something that you do want to celebrate and tell people about. It didn't feel unnatural or different, and so I was quite happy to tell people. A senior manager then, who's long since retired now, who had called me to his office and had heard the rumours and said that did I know that the course of action I was embarking upon would ruin my career. I didn't take umbrage to this because I went away and thought about that and thought this has got nothing to do with the way in which I deliver a professional service. I stood by my views and carried on and worked probably doubly hard to make sure that I did my work. And as a consequence, over time, people change and I had other bosses who were far more open and accepting and didn't actually see it as an issue. I see myself as a role model probably because of my rank, and I think it's important that you support other people within the organisation. I've had support from people who are not gay, and they've been friends, colleagues and sort of, I would suggest, sponsors. And it's important to find somebody that you can aspire to and somebody that you can have some mentoring or coaching. So being a role model is important, but I also say to the people that I work with and I'm involved with within the network is to say to people they're all role models, we're all role models, but in different ways. Some of that is rank specific or grade within an organisation. Sometimes you can be a role model just by the person you are.